Alright, we're taking you to a remote section of the backlot at night where some of the most infamous killers in Hollywood movie history used to roam. Uh-oh, we're getting an interruption.
I'm sorry to interrupt your fun, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gloria Strickland, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Hazard Valuation and Eco Crisis Management at the studio. I just need to speak with your tour guide for a minute. Where do you think you're going?
It's Tram. We're going to the backlot.
I'm afraid that is out of the question.
Why?
Had you bothered to check in with our self-serve employee info kiosks when you clocked in this evening, you would know that that area is under a chartreuse level threat assessment and off limits to employees and the public. Look, those are very old structures. They are riddled with termites, infested with vermin. Why, the whole place is crawling with bugs.
Are
you tired of humans? Are you sick of being stepped on, squashed, swatted, sprayed? Then call the exterminators. The number one name in human pest control. Our helpful industry operators are standing by 24/7 to answer all your human pest needs. Have you got cantankerous carrots, hostile leaders, entitled teens, or irritating influencers? Then call the exterminators today and make your human problems go away. Hi, I'm Larry Larva. Did you know 90% of all life forms on this planet are insects? We outnumber humans 1 billion to 1. 1 billion to 1. Humans don't stand a chance. They call us pests, vermin, and creepy crawlers. But insects have occupied this planet for over 400 million years. Rodents, 50 million years. Humans, a measly 300,000. And look what they've done to the place. They poison the air with noxious gases. They've contaminated the land and water with dangerous chemicals and toxic waste. And they say the dung beetle is gross because he lives in poop. Please. That's why I invented the Scrooge, the only human design on the market that's guaranteed to kill humans dead. It looks like a milkshake and tastes like a cheeseburger. And it smells like warm apple pie. Humans can't resist it. Just one taste and they're Scrooge. 100% guaranteed or your money back. But don't take my word for it. Just ask one of my quintillion satisfied customers. So what are you waiting for? Call the exterminators today, because humans are a pest.
I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, but I got to think about bugs. So in just a few moments, we're going to dump you off, and you're going to have to walk the rest of the way. But this is going to be the end of the line for me and the driver. Good luck out there.
Are you tired of humans? Or are you sick of being stepped on, squashed, swatted, and sprayed? Then call the exterminators today and make your human problem go away. Humans are a pest.
What do you see the waiting on? 0 stars, my friend. 0. This is outrageous. I want to speak to your manager right now. Do you hear me? I am talking to you, Missy. What are you looking at? This is unacceptable. Unacceptable! What do you see the waiting on to get this place? 0 stars, my friend. 0. This is outrageous. I want to speak to your manager right now. Do you hear me? I am talking to you, Missy. What are you looking at? This is unacceptable. Unacceptable! When you see the rating I'm going to give this place, 0 stars.
Humans dead. 100% guaranteed or your money back. Need a demonstration?
Keep it moving fast! Keep moving!
You never get used to that smell. We kill humans dead. 100% guaranteed or your money back. And claim our rightful place as the apex predators of this planet. That's right, my brothers and sisters. It's time to rise up from the sewer. Free yourself from the Humans don't stand a chance. Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans 1 billion to 1? Humans don't stand a chance. Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans 1 billion to 1? Humans don't stand a chance. Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans 1 billion to 1? Humans don't stand done it for us, except try to eradicate us from this planet. Humans, with their inflated life expectancy, greedily consuming all of our natural resources, exterminate them. Rise up, my brothers and sisters. Cast off those nets. Free yourselves from the traps of our human oppressors and make them feel the sting of our wrath. Remember, humans are oppressed. What have humans ever done for us except try to eradicate us from the It's payback time. And I've got the one thing no human pest can resist. The Squooge. Exterminate with extreme prejudice. They poisoned and polluted our home for long enough. It's payback time. And I've got the one thing no human pest can Rise, my children, rise! The Squooge! Guaranteed to kill humans dead! Rise. And make your human problem go away.
Oh, you want to know what it is? Hey, that's how big it is. Okay? Hey, how's it going?
They're coming.